In 2001, Apple introduced the first iPod that could hold 1,000 songs in your pocket. It became the most popular product in Apple's history, selling 450 million worldwide. In 2007, with the launch of the iPhone, iPod sales began to flounder, and Steve Jobs, the then CEO of Apple, knew that any future product was going to cannibalize iPod sales. You can argue that the Apple Vision Pro will supersede the iPhone in years to come, as we are moving from the mobile era to spatial computing. After 2 decades, Apple eventually killed the iPod Touch, the only iPod line currently selling at that time. But why? Well, there are a few reasons. The first is obvious. The technology was outdated and still resembled the old design of the iPhone. The second was lack of power. The reason for the iPod in the first place is to listen to music, and despite having an app store, there was no conceivable way that people could use intensive apps like they do on the iPhone and Mac. And the third reason is the lack of MP3 players today. 20 years ago, many of us carried with us portable MP3 players to listen to music on the go. But with the likes of Apple Music and Spotify, buying music isn't the norm anymore, thanks large in part to music streaming. So those are the reasons why the iPod was discontinued. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.